Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. What letter do you see on your screen? Exactly! That is letter Q. Today, we're going to discuss about the words beginning with the sound of the letter Q. In this lesson, you will be able to recognize pictures and read words beginning with the sound of the letter Q. Are you ready? Q is a letter in the alphabet. This is an uppercase letter Q. How to write the uppercase letter Q? Use two strokes to write the uppercase letter Q. Start on the blue headline. Circle back left all the way around. Lift. Start above the blue baseline. Slant right to the blue baseline. This is a lowercase letter Q. How to write the lowercase letter Q? Use one stroke to write the lowercase letter Q. Start at the red midline. Circle back left all the way around. Push up straight to the red midline. Pull down straight through the blue baseline to the next blue guideline. Curve forward right. Once again, this is the uppercase and lowercase letter Q. Q is a consonant and it has a sound. The letter Q sounds as Q, Q, Q. Whale, whale egg. Quarter, quartz. Queen, question mark. Quiet, wheel, quilt, weaver, whiz, quarantine. Once again, these are the words beginning with the sound of the letter Q. Whale, whale egg, quarter, quartz, queen, question mark. Quiet, wheel, quilt, weaver, whiz, quarantine. Are you ready? Write the name of the picture whose name begins with the sound of the letter Q. These are the pictures whose name begins with the sound of the letter Q. Question mark, whale, quarantine, queen, weaver. Now, Practice writing the letter Q on your notebook.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.